Hi everybody, welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live with our follow-up to this morning's installment. I showed you how to make a pinwheel and challenged you to make your own and add them into your marble runs that we're building this week. I added this exact one to a marble run, and I'm going to show you that right now. It's pretty simple. And I use the pinwheel in a pretty creative way. So here it is. So there you go, that's what I came up with. As you can see, I am a big fan of craft sticks. I have too many craft sticks. I have about 400 of these things. Anyway, thank you for joining me on today's installment of Curiosity Corner Live, and make sure you come back every day this week. We're going to be doing more fun challenges like this. Tomorrow we're going to be talking about balance. So that's your hint for tomorrow. Be sure to come back every day and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos, and we'll see you then. So stay safe and stay curious.